Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela wa Prestone Tunsong uba Committee Katanat District Council Affairs. Ula Pynshai halor ke Jingiehnoh u Chief Executive Member Barim ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council u Albinush Armarak. Uba Prestone Tunsong ula kentat bagane ke Jingiehnoh kedai namar ka Jingiepher jingmut apok kaseng. Ne halor ke jingmamiot tiket na kaseng MPP. Nrai ula kedau bagadai pet namar ka jinglet thurmor jong u CEM u Barim yaki kendon trekam jong ke Executive Committee. Uba Prestone Tunsong ule tho bahu Albinush marak ula mi hi ya ka notification ke bedai ba ke Scheduled Tribe Certificate. Kemde selok bagi dikot jong ke Executive Committee ne kemdawan ra ke yang dorbar. Belong ke jingiat lad na ki kendon. Namar ka ne ko ba arpo ingut ke MDC ke lepen pawe ke jing bamshania asho ke lepen long yu ban Jingiehnoh. Uba Prestone Tunsong ulong ba ke jing ai ne ke jing kentat tiket ke dei ka kam jong ki sengsan perthai. Dia kata kamut bodoh khat ula ban ya lat gi kendon an jong sensyar kadar. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ulu kentai dulu bagajing penjelan ya ke election jaga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kadai nak benta gajing mentoy kamsan pertai ke sang NPP. Ula Pynshai bagi sarkar ketemu ban pentikna bagajing dawa bagajing angnot upat ba ka rilom Garo bakin urlong leng ba gajing ekran ke basani bat ke Executive Committee ke batamai.
If the CM does not consult his own colleague in the executive committee, because see, I think you must have seen that notification. That notification where he ultimately notified in his level about the ST certificate. I'm not saying that it is wrong. In fact, maybe it is right, but it is not as per the prescribed norms, as per the rules. Why should he alone sign the notification? Because this has to be brought to the house. But that itself, he did not do it. So therefore, 21 members of the MDC, ultimately they said he is not fit to continue as the CEM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, he has to ultimately resign from the post. Why? Example, it's because of that. A person as a CEM who does not understand the participation or the discussion, be it in his own executive committee or be it inside the house. So therefore, this is his failure, and ultimately all the MDCs, they went against him.